Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're taking a look at the NovelKey Cream Plus switches. These are a linear switch that have different inserts going into the stem that can completely change the feel and sound of the switch. At the time of filming this, I was sick, and I was also trying a different microphone setup, so the quality of my voice is not perfect. Other than that, I really enjoyed trying out these switches, and I hope you enjoyed my review.
But yeah, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Cream Plus switches. These are weird. So they're not like the regular creams. I don't know if you'll have to break them in similar to the creams, but they aren't really the same at all. So why don't I get things going here? I might have to clear my voice here and there because I am still kind of sick, but I will do my best to enunciate and be understood. All right, so the way these switches work is there's the normal switch, right? Right, normal switch. But in the stem, you can put in these inserts. So I got the titanium and the silicone because I liked the sound of the titanium, and the silicone seemed to be the most unique. The inserts come in these little bags, but this is the titanium insert. It's very small, but it just goes into the stem of the switch. Yeah, we're going to build it in the QK65 right here. And the first thing we're going to do is just try to get a quick test of how everything sounds. We have titanium, normal, and silicone here, all side by side. Here we go. That's the titanium. Interesting. So that's the hollow. So with keycaps, the titanium is a lot deeper. And then here's the silicone. It's so weird. All right, so now I'm gonna be able to show you guys how these inserts actually go in because I'm out of the silicone switches right here. So I need to add some of the silicone inserts into these. So how it works is you take the switch and you literally take the insert and you just slide it into the hole. Just like that. Alrighty. There it is. So there is our board. It is the full silicone build. So let's see how it sounds. So yeah, super weird. Maybe one of the craziest things I've ever heard from a keyboard. Very unique. But I kind of like it. I kind of dig it. It's crazy hearing it next to like another actual keyboard, right? Like here, ready? This is another QK65. So same board.
Just check out the difference of the switch, right? So this is the overhead cam here, and this is what it sounds like.
It's so weird. It's like almost super thocky, but it's, that weird muted is so crazy. I don't know if I love it or if I hate it. I really can't decide. It's so weird. It's so weird. I don't know. Let me swap for a titanium. Yeah, titanium is so good. This is the space bar. I think the play is going titanium with that because I really like the way it sounds. It's a soft downstroke, right? It's not super loud. It's obviously not silent, but it's not that loud. Plus, it'll give us a chance to see how it is to disassemble the stems. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on doing this. So now we're gonna be disassembling our silicone ones and rebuilding them, and we're gonna see how that ends up being. Tweezers would probably help, but my tweezers are downstairs. So we're gonna see how this would go if you didn't have tweezers. Oh, it's actually so easy. Wow. Yeah, it just slid right out. Ah, okay, so this one is hollow. So I think that the stem or the insert fell into the bottom. Which I definitely need tweezers. So I'll be right back. Let's see if we can fish that guy out of there. All right, so even with tweezers, this is kind of annoying. There we go. So the strat was almost just to like scoop it out. All right, so that was kind of annoying. It does look like, though, a good handful of the silicone inserts got stuck in the bottom housing. So definitely something to think about with those. I do think that it's probably because they are so light and flexible, but they're not that hard to get out. So 100% worth it. My dog also just scared the absolute shit out of me. Hi, Pupper. Oh my God. Yeah, I just put my arm back and felt cold because I had hit her nose. This is Cream Plus with titanium inserts. And let's get a sound test. This actually sounds amazing. I am very, very, very impressed. So now the big question, obviously, since I'm such a world-class typer, is how fast can I type with this? Ooh, there is a little bit of like double clicking and stuff. I wonder if that has anything to do with the inserts. Whoa. So like I said, there might be some like double clicking. Or some of the switches aren't working. I probably should have tested that first. But yeah, I guess the only problem here is like, there is a little bit of double clicking. Let me open up just like a Google Doc. Yeah, see? I wonder if there's sometimes a delay of your finger hitting and then the metal insert hitting again. The best spacebar I have. But the double clicking is crazy. That's crazy. Oh my God. Part of me does wonder if it is this keyboard. So maybe, let's swap a couple of them, right? So if there's still double clicking here, it is for sure the switch, right? And it does. Wow. That's so disappointing. And it did seem to do it with the silicone as well. So that is problematic. So I guess, let's go back to my review of this. These switches were some of the most fun switches I've ever used. Truly. So fun. However, I cannot give a good rating to something that doesn't work, right? I think that that's fair. And these don't really work. If they double click, I can't say that they're a great switch. So based on that alone, I don't know. They're fine. They're really cool. They're super unique, but you can't have double clicking, right? That's just like a no-brainer. You can't have double clicking switches. Overall, they're really fun. They're really cool. They're really unique. There is truly nothing else like it. So if it's something you're interested in, it is cool to be able to make them your own. The one thing I'll say though is definitely buy extra because some of them double click, which is insane that I can even say that. But some of them double click. So
I did just want to wrap things up here quickly. So I was able to fix that double clicking problem. It wasn't really a full fix, but certain switches were dealing with it in certain keyboards, but replacing the switches with different ones seemed to solve the problem. So it might just be, a small percentage of each batch. But I did just want to highlight that that was something that wasn't impacting every single switch. I really enjoyed trying out these switches. I think that they were super unique and there's really nothing like it. If you want the ability to change the feel and sound kind of on a dime, this is really the only option out there. So I really enjoyed these and I highly recommend trying them out if it's something you're interested in. Thanks everybody. Like and subscribe if you made it this far, and I will see you next time.